Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Job costing, somewhat you got an idea with the introduction class of job costing? Yes? Now today we'll see job costing procedure. How to proceed job costing, how to start, what are the different steps, and step by step we'll learn, and how to conclude this job costing. Total 10 number steps are there, very easy to understand and also very important topic for the theory point of view. Whatever may be your course, they may ask you what is the procedure of job costing, steps of job costing, the steps involved in job costing. You may get a question, either essay or theory, short one, anyway you may get. So very easy to understand. 10 simple steps you have to remember. What are those steps? First thing is that how do you start this job cost? We'll start with the first step, that is inquiry. Who has to do the inquiry? Customer has to do the inquiry, like is this company is reliable, and what is the price of the quality of the product, and also duration, how much time they are taking to deliver the product, like etc etc. Whatever doubts he has, everything he has to inquire. Once if we inquire, this process is over. Now second step, it comes to cost estimation and delivery schedule. So cost estimation and delivery schedule, the customer is expecting, his inquiry is over. Once if he inquired, then he'll be asking about the cost, how much it would be the cost. My customized product is like this, my expectations are like this, and my design should be like this, and whatever he is expecting, everything is said very clearly to the production department. Then after that, cost estimation they have to prepare. How do they prepare cost estimation? More or less it will be, but they'll be preparing roughly a standard cost. Pro forma is cost sheet pro forma only. In the same cost sheet pro forma, they'll be preparing standard cost. So that is based on the similar projects, similar jobs, what they have completed in the previous years. So based on the previous similar jobs, they'll be preparing this cost estimation and delivery schedule. Cost would be this much, and we are going to deliver on so and so date. Like this, they have to prepare. Inquiry is over. Then according to this step, third step is quotation of the job, quotation for the job. So while preparing this quotation, so estimation and everything they are going to prepare. Then after that, quotation they have to give it to the customer. How do they give the quotation? They have to consider the direct cost, variable and fixed overhead, and whatever steps are involved, how much cost they are spending, and all these things they'll consider. Then after that, they are going to give this quotation for the job to the customer. Quotation is giving to the customer, and customer is going to receive the quotation. Once if the customer receives the quotation, receiving the order and issue of job number. This is possible if the customer is satisfied. Customer got the quotation in the previous step. If customer is satisfied, he is going to give the order. When he gives the order, we are going to receive the order. So that is why we are saying receiving the order from the customer and issue of job number. Once if we get the job from the customer, then we have to allocate one job number. Job number 3567 or any number according to our serial. So we'll be allocating a job number to that particular job. Okay, that customized job we are going to allocate it. So this is receiving order and issuing the job number. Then after that, production order. This is given to the department. We got the order, and also we have issued a job number also. It means about to start the job. How to start the job means from the fifth step onwards, the process starts. Fifth step, important step, is that production order. Got the job, we have to start the production. So who has to start the production? Who has to take the initiation? Mainly production control department. Production control department is going to take the initiation. They have to start the job. For this production order, they are going to release. This is we say it as a specification of job. Specification of job will be mentioning the production order. In production order, so this will be like a sheet, production order. So in that sheet, each and every item related to that job will be mentioned. Very clearly detailed information is mentioned in the production order of that particular job. According to that, they'll be proceeding and they'll be producing the products, customized product, remember. Now what it will be mentioned in the production order? These are the important items. Important information is clearly mentioned in the production order. What are those? Date on which the order is prepared. Date on which the order is prepared. Date of order preparation and job order number. Description of the goods. Description of the goods. How many goods? What is the specification they are expecting, quantity, quality, etc., etc. The description of the goods and number of goods, how many number they are expecting, and date of starting the work, when we have to start the work, the date of completion of the work, starting of the work, completion of the work. Duration is important because on time we have to deliver the goods, and listing material, how much material is required, and sequence of production process, how to proceed for the production process, process number 1, 2, process costing we have learned in the same way. So that is sequence of the production process and signature of the production department. Like all these details, total 8 points are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 points. So these are all the information will be mentioned in the production order. In production order, very clearly mentioned, so that if someone looks at the production order, they'll be able to understand that this is a job number so and so, and their expectations are this, specifications are this, and when we are going to start the work, when we have to complete the work, what is the material to be collected, and description of the job. Everything is mentioned in the production order. With this, the job starts. This is important step. Before that, all these things are inquiry and giving the cost estimation, quotation, and receiving order. So these are all minimum process. Then exact process of job starts from the 5th step. Okay, production order is prepared. Then after that, preparation of design, that is over. Now design we have to prepare. Very important, because each and every job is expecting a specific design. Specific order is given by the customer. So according to that, we have to prepare this production design. Who will prepare this production design? Engineering department with the production planning department, both together. Engineering department and production planning department, both together, they will understand exactly what job is expecting, the customized job by the customer. Then according to that, these people, engineering department and production planning department, are going to prepare the planning. What is that? Preparation of the design they are going to plan. If design is ready, the next thing is that bill of material. So bill of material means, here you have to remember, before preparation of the bill, design is okay. Now what is the bill we are charging? This is just estimated, not final. Okay, so this estimation of the bill is possible by considering few things like list of material, how much material we have used, okay, labor and raw material, etc., etc., overheads, all these things together we can say it as a list of material. And this is going to order to the storekeeper. Material is ready, so we are giving instruction to the storekeeper, issue this material. Prepared already bill. Now according to that, production supervisors are going to start this work. Production supervisors are going to start this job. Okay, they are going to consider everything. Everything should go systematically. Their supervision will be there always continuously. So to prepare the bill of material, only material bill is prepared. Then after that, execution of job and its follow-up. Material is ready, that bill is ready. Now execution of that product. And once the execution starts, you have to be very careful about the follow-up also. Both are important steps together in the 8th step. So for this execution of the job, one supervisor is appointed by the production department. One supervisor is appointed from the production department. He will be taking care of the entire job process. Okay. Then after that, if this process is over. Next, recording of cost means it is over. Job is over. Production is ready to deliver. Now we are focusing on the recording of cost. How much cost happened? Estimated something is over in the initial stage only. Now exactly how much we spent it. So that is recording of cost. You can prepare job cost sheet. When you prepare job cost sheet, you have to consider how much is the direct material, direct wages, overheads, and all these things together. We are going to prepare specimen of job cost sheet. Specimen of job cost that will mention, that will reflect exactly how much we have spent. So this is about recording of cost, or you can say job cost sheet. Once if this is prepared, completion of job, our job is completed, last stage. In completion of job, what we have to do? Deliver the product to the customer. So once if you deliver the product, now we have to focus on the payment. How is the process of payment? What is the procedure? As per the prescribed in the initial stages of getting the job only, they might have decided the payment of the job will be in so and so and so, and within so and so time, and so with so and so process we are going to make the payment. So whatever may be the terms and conditions they have already decided during the taking of this job, so that payment will be focusing, and later will be focusing on the profit or loss, how much you got it. How do you come to know profit or loss? The previous class, first class only we have decided. So estimated is how much you got. Estimated means nothing but standard one is how much exactly we received it. According to that we'll be getting profit or loss. So these three processes. Last step, completion of job. Completion of job means first we have to deliver, take the payment, and go for the calculation of profit or loss, how much you got it. Simple steps, easily able to remember. Now just let me give you a recap. First, customer is going to inquire. Okay, once inquiry is over, next cost estimation and delivery schedule, that we are going to give it to the customer. This is standard one. This is as per the basis of the previous jobs, we are giving a standard estimation. If this is there, then quotation of the job we are going to prepare, quotation. After that, after receiving this quotation from us to the customer, then customer is going to give the job order. Receiving the job order from the customer, and we have to issue a job order number. Then it will be given to the production department. Production department is going to prepare production order. In order, 8 points are included. Production order is over, then after that preparation of the design. Design we have to focus. If design is okay, bill of material. How much is the cost of that material for that particular job? So that you will prepare. Then after that execution of the, at the time of bill of material, you are going to focus on the cost, and also instructions given to the storekeeper to issue the material, etc. All these things at this stage only. Then after that execution of the job. For execution of the job and follow up, there is a supervisor from the production department. He will be taking care of the execution. And lastly, last but one, recording of the cost. How much is the cost? So we consider all the things, how much we spent and all these things. According to that, we'll get the some cost sheet. According to job cost sheet, you will get the information. Then lastly, completion of the job means nothing but first we have to deliver and take the payment and go for the profit or loss. Simple 10 steps, easy to remember, but very important topic. Screenshot, yes. So with this job costing theory part is over. Next class we'll go for the practicals. For practicals, what is needed? Cost sheet. In same cost accounting I taught you. Cost sheet, please go through this cost sheet. Same pro forma we are going to follow. Refer and come, that will be easy for us to work out problems. If you find difficult, I'll give you in the comment box. First comment box, pinned comment, I'll give you cost sheet preparation video. So just go through it and get back to the next class. Check out the playlist and use it properly, and don't forget to share this video. Stay connected. Have a bright career. Good luck.